Benjamin Franklin. Please subscribe, like and comment. He who would trade liberty for some temporary security, deserves neither liberty nor security. War is when the government tells you who the bad guy is. Revolution is when you decide that for yourself. If everyone is thinking alike, then no one is thinking. Whoever would overthrow the liberty of a nation must begin by subduing the freeness of speech. We are all born ignorant, but one must work hard to remain stupid. The only thing that is more expensive than education is ignorance. It is the first responsibility of every citizen to question authority. There are many roads to success, but only one sure road to failure, and that is to try to please everyone else. Tricks and treachery are the practice of fools that don't have brains enough to be honest. Only a virtuous people are capable of freedom. As nations become corrupt and vicious, they have more need of masters. Little minds think and talk about people. Average minds think and talk about things and actions. Great minds think and talk about ideas. There are two ways to increase your wealth: increase your means or decrease your wants. The best is to do both at the same time. Genius is the ability to hold one's vision steady until it becomes reality. Freedom is not a gift bestowed upon us by other men, but a right that belongs to us by the laws of God and nature. The problem with doing nothing is not knowing when you're finished. Being ignorant is not so much a shame as being unwilling to learn. The heart of a fool is in his mouth, but the mouth of a wise man is in his heart. Change is the only constant in life. One's ability to adapt to those changes will determine your success in life. Common sense without education is better than education without common sense.